Well, on the second day of his Kerala visit, President Ramnath Kovind is visiting the naval base in Kochi to witness the operational demonstration that is being given to him by the Southern Naval Command. He is witnessing the operational demonstration at the Southern Naval Command. He's also scheduled to visit the Vikrant cell at the naval base. Now, of course, this is his second day of his visit to Kerala. On day one, of course, he did visit Kasaragod to grace and address the 5th convocation of the Central University in Kerala in Kasaragod. Do remember that the president is on a 4-day visit to Kerala. He is...
On behalf of the Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Southern Naval Command, Vice Admiral M.A. Hampiholi, we extend a very warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest. It is indeed our privilege to have the Honorable President of India amongst us today.
फ्लैग ऑफिसर कमांडिंग इन चीफ दक्षिणी नौसेना कमान वाइस एडमिरल M.A. हम्पीहोली की ओर से हम अपने आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि का तहे दिल से स्वागत करते हैं। आज हमारे बीच भारत के राष्ट्रपति का होना वास्तव में सौभाग्य की बात है।
All right, so visuals that you see on your screen right now are coming to you live from the Southern Naval Command in Kochi. The President, of course, is to witness operational demonstration at the Southern Naval Command. We are also told that he will be visiting the Vikrant cell over there. The President and his wife are on a 4-day visit.
Reconnaissance and assault. Presently, they are firing flares and have lit a smoke marker for ease of visualization. In actuality, this operation happens in stealth under the cover of darkness. These rubber inflatable craft are an integral feature of combat diver operations which require stealth.
सामने से एरोफॉर्म में जेमिनी नामक 5 नौकाएं आपके पास आ रही हैं। वे समुद्र टोही और हमले का अनुकरण कर रहे हैं। वास्तव में यह ऑपरेशन अंधेरे की आड़ में छिपकर होता है। यह रबर इन्फ्लेटेबल नौकाएं लड़ाकू गोताखोर संचालन की एक अभिन्न विशेषता है, जिसके लिए गोपनीयता की आवश्यकता होती है।
Marcos is an elite special operations unit of the Indian Navy, which stands for Marine Commandos. This post was raised in 1987 and since then has gained its reputation for professionalism over the last 3 decades. Ladies and gentlemen, the team leader is now presenting a brochure to the Honorable Chief Guest on behalf of Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Southern Naval Command.
टीम लीडर अब दक्षिणी नौसेना कमान के फ्लैग ऑफिसर कमांडिंग इन चीफ की ओर से माननीय राष्ट्रपति को ब्रोशर भेंट कर रहे हैं।
The operations of Marcos include airborne operations, combat diving, counter-terrorism, anti-hijacking, maritime interdiction, visit board search and seize, anti-piracy operations, etc., to name a few. The Marcos are trained in every kind of weapon and instrument.
Ladies and gentlemen, look towards your right. We will now witness a formation of aircraft flying past. For this morning's fly past, we have various types of helicopters and fixed-wing aircraft taking part. The aircraft will approach the display area from your right side now.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see to your right, leading the fly past for today's morning are the Chetak helicopters, proudly displaying the naval ensign and the national flag underslung. These helicopters are being led by Commander Ishan Mahapatra.
For Following the Chetak is the Guardian formation consisting of the indigenously built advanced light helicopters called Dhruv. These are agile and maneuverable machines which are the backbone of the Make in India initiative of the Indian aviation industry. The formation today is led by Commander Ajay Yadav. Next flying before you is a formation of Sea King advanced anti-submarine warfare helicopters. The 3 aircraft formation is being led by Commander Harpreet Singh Baveja.
Flypast is a ceremonial or honorific flight by a group of aircraft. Flypasts occur in special occasions, generally to honor someone. They have affinities with parades, of which they form the aerial component. Often, they occur in purely display contexts at air shows.
Look towards your right. Following the Sea Kings are the Dornier aircraft. These are medium-range maritime surveillance aircraft. Leading the formation today is Captain Arjun Menon.
देवियों और सज्जनों, आपके सामने आ रही है स्वदेश निर्मित भारतीय नौसेना पोत सुनैना, जिसकी कमान कमांडर विवेक सिंह के हाथों में है। भारतीय नौसेना पोत सुनैना आत्मनिर्भर भारत का प्रतीक है, जो अब शोर बम्बार्डमेंट का प्रदर्शन करेगा। भारतीय नौसेना पोत सुनैना को अक्टूबर 2013 में कमीशन किया गया। गोवा शिपयार्ड लिमिटेड द्वारा निर्मित यह अत्याधुनिक नेवल ऑफशोर पेट्रोल वेसल है, जिसका वजन 3500 टन है। यह पोत 40 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की गति से आगे बढ़ सकती है।
next event is a demonstration of a helicopter landing on board the helicopter deck of a naval offshore patrol vessel INS Sharda, commanded by Commander Yashu Agarwal. The ability to land and operate from small decks is what makes a helicopter unique and indispensable. Helicopters operate from ships for a variety of roles such as anti-submarine warfare, anti-shipping, as a communication link, and for search and rescue. The helicopter would normally land on the deck of the ship, but today, due to restricted waters, the aircraft would simulate landing by hovering close to the deck and thereafter break off without actually landing.
अगला कार्यक्रम एक ऑफशोर पेट्रोल वेसल भारतीय नौसेना पोर्ट शारदा के हेलीकॉप्टर डेक पर हेलीकॉप्टर के उतरने का प्रदर्शन है। छोटे डेक पर उतरने और संचालित करने की क्षमता एक हेलीकॉप्टर को अद्वितीय और अपरिहार्य बनाती है।
Gentlemen, what you will witness now is a BBSS operation. The white-hulled passenger ferry Neelam is approaching from the right-hand side. It is simulating a vessel which has been hijacked by pirates, and hence the naval units have been pressed into action. The boarding operation begins with issuing of verbal warnings to the hijacked vessel. INS Cabra is commanded by Commander S.K. Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, the naval helicopter Chetak approaching the hijacked vessel is simulating an armed helicopter in cabin gunning role to provide air cover. Gentlemen, you can now see the BBSS teams closing in the hijacked vessel ahead of us. Their boats are fitted with 7.62 mm medium machine guns. Ladies and gentlemen, the hijacked vessel Neelam is now being boarded. The BBSS teams will be conducting a search and seizure operation on board. Each member of the crew will be rounded up and mustered at a suitable location. BBSS teams generally use telescopic ladders to board large vessels which have a freeboard of up to 10 to 12 meters at sea. vessel is being searched thoroughly for the presence of any contraband item, and all documents and cargo of the vessel will also be checked for their validity and correctness by designated members of the team. Each member of the crew is now rounded up and mustered at the suitable location. Ladies and gentlemen, the boarding team has successfully captured the pirates. The vessel has been searched thoroughly and validity of documents has been ascertained. Ladies and gentlemen, what you see in front of you is a mock explosive ordnance exposal drill. Ladies and gentlemen, in front of you is the bomb disposal technician from the Command Clearance Diving Team, Kochi. The bomb disposal technicians from the Indian Navy are all qualified clearance divers. ALH is now following up its maneuver by a hard right turn to return to the center and execute a quick stop, which involves bringing a speeding aircraft to a quick halt. The aircraft will now face the dais and carry out left and right sideward movement, followed by a spot turn. Ladies and gentlemen, the helicopter is doing a spiral up right, wherein the helicopter gains height as it turns. A smart dip and salute to the Supreme Commander, and the aircraft will turn right and execute a steep nose-down single getaway. Ladies and gentlemen, you can now see flying in from your right is a Sea King helicopter, also known as the Flying Frigate. Following the Indo-Pakistani War of 1965, Pakistan invested heavily in modern submarines and torpedoes. In response, India opted to procure 6 Sea Kings from Britain in 1969 for ASW duties designated as 42 Bravo. As you can see, the helicopter is taking position to lower her sonar, known as dunking sonar, for locating subsurface targets. Ladies and gentlemen, you can now see the Sea King 42 Bravo hovering close to the surface and dunking her sonar to simulate how an anti-submarine warfare search is undertaken from a rotary air platform. This operation requires an extremely proficient maneuvering by the pilot, at the same time is evidence to the agility and responsiveness of the helicopter.
प्रशिक्षण जहाज अपने वैभव का प्रदर्शन करने के लिए अपनी शानदार पालों को फहराकर अब आपके सामने आ रही हैं। देवियों और सज्जनों, अब मैं आपका ध्यान भारतीय नौसेना के पाल प्रशिक्षण जहाजों में से एक भारतीय नौसेना पोत तरंगिनी की ओर आकर्षित करता हूं, जो दाहिनी ओर से हमारे सामने आ रही है। जहाज हमारे राष्ट्रीय ध्वज और युद्ध चिन्ह को प्रदर्शित कर रही है। जहाज की कमान कमांडर यतीश बड़ोतिया के हाथों में है। नौसेना के युवा अफसर राष्ट्रपति के सम्मान में मैनिंग द मास्ट का प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। भारतीय नौसेना पोत तरंगिनी 23 जनवरी 2006 से 25 अप्रैल 2007 तक दुनिया की परिक्रमा करने वाला भारतीय नौसेना का पहला जहाज है। इस जहाज ने 2005 से कई नौकायान में भाग लिया है और विभिन्न अंतर्राष्ट्रीय आयोजनों में भारत का ध्वजवाहक रहा है।
Tarangini is a part of the 1st Training Squadron of the Indian Navy. Its primary aim is to impart sail training to the cadets of 1st Training Squadron. It also imparts sail training to the cadets of National Defence Academy, Indian Naval Academy and National Cadet Corps. The sail ship provides a sound grounding in basic seamanship. The main value for sail training in this era of information age lies in its unique ability to foster the virtue of courage, camaraderie, esprit de corps and endurance, which are the necessary ingredients to build a strong character. Sail ship is an ideal platform to provide the first-hand experience of the ferocious powers of the sea to the trainees embarking on a naval career. All sail maneuvers require a clear understanding of the basic elements of the marine environment, which are wind, sea and weather.
Ladies and gentlemen, approaching from your right, you will see a Sea King helicopter demonstrating its cargo lift capability. The lift and hover capability of helicopters is an invaluable asset during natural disasters such as floods and earthquakes. The skill set demonstrated by the Sea King helicopter have proven to be instrumental in various naval HATR operations. Aircraft that you see belongs to the Indian Naval Air Squadron 336, popularly called Flaming Arrows.
देवियों और सज्जनों, अब आप नेवल फास्ट इंटरसेप्टर क्राफ्ट द्वारा एक प्रदर्शन देखेंगे। तटीय सुरक्षा को बढ़ाने के लिए भारतीय नौसेना में फास्ट इंटरसेप्टर क्राफ्ट को शामिल किया गया। वे वाटर जेट प्रणाली पर चलते हैं और 40 नॉट की गति प्राप्त करने में सक्षम हैं। हालांकि आज प्रदर्शन के लिए वे अपनी गति को 14 नॉट तक सीमित रखेंगे ताकि इनकी बड़ी लहरों से बचा जा सके। दक्षिणी नौसेना कमान इन नौकाओं को संचालित करने वाली भारतीय नौसेना की पहली कमान है। अब आप 4 फास्ट इंटरसेप्टर क्राफ्ट चैनल की दोनों तरफ से अपनी ओर आते हुए देख सकते हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, there as you can see, 4 FICs steaming past the display area, firing flares from the sides in honor of the President of India. Fast interceptor craft are fitted with state-of-the-art machinery and equipment. Armed with medium machine guns, these craft have an endurance of 200 nautical miles and are ideally suited for providing coastal security. The crew of the FIC comprise sailors from Sagar Prahari Bal. Apart from 24/7 patrolling in the harbour, the FICs are also being deployed for providing force protection to all high-value assets in the command. These vessels have excellent seakeeping and dynamic stability capability at high speeds in Sea State 3 and is seaworthy up to Sea State 4. These FICs fitted with night vision devices, communication equipment, AIS and radar are instrumental for the Navy.
अब हम हवा में कुछ शानदार करतब देखने जा रहे हैं। देवियों और सज्जनों, अब मैं आपका ध्यान चैनल की ओर आकर्षित करता हूं, जहां आप डॉनियर विमानों को प्रदर्शन क्षेत्र में आते हुए देख सकते हैं। यह विमान युद्ध अभ्यास का करतब करेंगे।
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now going to witness some spectacular action in the air. I now draw your attention right ahead of you across the channel where you will be able to see the Dornier aircraft approaching the display area.
Ladies and gentlemen, the bomb burst.
देवी और सज्जनों, अब मैं आपका ध्यान चैनल की दाहिनी ओर फर्स्ट ट्रेनिंग स्क्वाड्रन भारतीय नौसेना पोत-3 पर आकर्षित करता हूं। यह भारतीय नौसेना का पहला कैडेट प्रशिक्षण जहाज है जो राष्ट्रपति के सम्मान में मैन एंड चेयर शिप का प्रदर्शन करेगी। भारतीय नौसेना पोत-3 के कप्तान हैं कैप्टन आफ्ताब अहमद खान। मैन एंड चेयर शिप किसी विशिष्ट व्यक्ति या किसी युद्धपोत के सम्मान में किया जाने वाला एक सामूहिक प्रतीक है। यह नौसेना का एक पुराना रिवाज है। उन दिनों यार्ड और पाल के साथ साथ डेक भी संचालित होते थे, लेकिन वर्तमान में केवल डेक मैन एंड चेयर शिप में संचालित होते हैं। बेड़े का संप्रभु की यात्रा, जहाजों का बंदरगाह में प्रवेश और विजय युद्धपोत के आगमन जैसे अवसरों पर मैन एंड चेयर शिप किया जाता है। फॉर्मेशन के मध्य में है भारतीय नौसेना पोत निरीक्षक, जिसके कप्तान कमांडर मोहम्मद इकरम हैं। यह भारतीय नौसेना का एकमात्र पनडुब्बी बचाव डाइविंग सपोर्ट वेसल है जिसे मैज़ेगांव डॉक लिमिटेड ने निर्माण किया और 15 सितंबर 1995 को भारतीय नौसेना को सौंपा। यह जहाज सभी पनडुब्बी बचाव कार्य के लिए अग्रणी रहा है। फॉर्मेशन के अंत में है भारतीय नौसेना पोत कल्पेनी, जिसके कप्तान लेफ्टिनेंट कमांडर एसपी डागर हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, the next event is the mesmerizing performance by the Southern Naval Command Band.
Gentlemen, all helicopters will now execute a fly past in an arrowhead formation, saluting the Supreme Commander. The formation is being led by Commander Ishan Mahapatra.
देवी और सज्जनों, आपसे अनुरोध है कि राष्ट्रगान के लिए अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं।